What's up, Planet Roller Skaters? In
5, 4, 3, 2, let's roll. This is how we roll. This is how we roll. This is how we roll. Let's roll.
Yeah! Woohoo! Yippee! What's up, Planet Roller Skaters? Indy Jama Jones here, and today we are going to talk about the Moxi Venice Beach grand opening party. This past Sunday, we had a huge party and invited everybody to come hang out with us at the new Moxi shop that we just opened in Venice Beach. If you understand a little bit of the history of Moxi, then you'll understand why this grand opening is so exciting for us. About 10 years ago, we're actually coming up on the 10th anniversary here, Michelle Silent opened up a roller skate shop and created the brand Moxi. She changed the name of her shop to the Moxi Skate Shop once she started selling her boot, and then eventually sold her shop to Pigeon so that she could focus on promoting her brand full time. Moxi keeps getting bigger and bigger and more people want to skate, so recently Pigeon decided that it was time to expand and open up a Moxi Skate Shop in Venice Beach. So this is really exciting for us as a skate team, for Michelle and Pigeon as business owners, and it's also really exciting for Venice. Venice is historically the skate mecca of the world. It has more roller skate history probably than any other city I can think of. There is a documentary traveling around right now called Roller Dreams, all about Venice Beach. It's traveling to different film festivals and such. So if you get a chance to see that, go see Roller Dreams because it'll help explain why it's so cool that we are finally bringing a roller skate shop back to Venice Beach. So we knew that we had to throw a party and celebrate this new shop opening. We got to Venice at about 11 a.m. The grand opening party was starting at 1, so we had a couple hours to help everybody get ready and set up.
I parked up front. Got some easy ups going here. Looks like coffee.
Oh hey you guys, what's up?
Hi. Happy grand opening!
Thank you.
Good job, baby. How's the Sprinter van?
Oh my god, go inside, it's amazing.
Do you want to give us a tour?
So here's the Sprinter van.
Tell us about the Sprinter van, Pigeon.
It's my brother's. He acquired it from a rock climber. He used to live in here. My brother and my family, they work on Mercedes, and Sprinters are Mercedes, so we were able to get it at a good price. Inside,
Van life tour.
it's all fitted with wood all around, and so what we did is, there's a really nice mattress that my sister put in there, my sister-in-law, and so this is gonna be where me and Maple feed and nap today, have like a little place to have a quiet time during this big event, because you know, if you have a young child, it's really hard to do these kind of things without a spot, so this is perfect for us. Alright, we got some fun stuff. Ooh, I probably just cut it a bunch.
Got a box. Day of the grand opening. What is it?
Moxi koozies.
Oh, cute.
That's
And what
fun.
Alright, what are we doing with these? Giving them away today? Or?
Yep. Alright, so you are officially the first person that I'm filming at the grand opening. So, what's your name? Introduce yourself.
Kylie. I just moved here actually, and I've only been skating for about a year.
Where'd you move from?
Alabama.
Really? Well,
Yeah.
welcome to Southern California.
Thank
We're
you.
glad you're here. I hope you're loving it. How did you learn how to skate? Alright, so we have balloons, we have carnival games, we've got popcorn machine, cotton candy, snow cones, a DJ, an elote booth, a coffee truck, and a skate Ferris wheel. I think we're ready. the best part of the day, the part that everybody was waiting for, was the rollout. The rollout started with Julie Potter performing the theme song to Planet Roller Skate.
It's JFP Raps with a Z. JFP RAPZ.
Guys, I want to just first have to give the biggest thanks and congratulations to Pigeon. Can we all say yes, Pigeon? Pigeon is a boss, a leader, and the inspiration for this song. I was sitting with Pigeon one day and she's like, Julie, what? Will you write a song about the shop? Will you write about skating? I'm like, I will. But I'm gonna perform, and all I need for you, I need you to stand up. We need you to, come on, guys, I need you on your feet, all right? God, can we get that? Hey, 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 everybody. Hey, hey. Roll out, roll out, roll out. This is how we roll, this is how we roll, this is how we roll, let's roll. This is how we roll, this is how we roll, this is how we roll, let's roll out, roll out. Hey, hey, roll out, hey, roll out, roll out. What? Recline and enjoy the view. Stand up, lace up, and jump in. Oh, bring it to roll out there. You got a whole new crew. Bumps and bruises every two, you gotta get a few. Let everybody fall, just get up and pursue. No tilted cue, more like any ugly fool. Send the thighs, All right, everybody, please meet in front of the Moxi skate shop under the rainbow. And we're gonna take a big picture drone shot.
And then we're gonna roll out.
And then we're gonna roll out from the front of the shop.
Congratulations to the shop girls for kicking butt. Oh my goodness, they worked so hard all day. And actually, even though Vanna was working the shop most of the time, she managed to get these beautiful clips. So I'm gonna put Vanna's montage here, and you guys should be sure to go check out her YouTube because she has more clips of skating around Venice just like this.
Baby
so much for watching this grand opening wrap-up episode. If you were ever in Venice, please stop by and say hello. Check out the skates, come see the shop. We would love to see you there. Please like, comment, subscribe. Check out planetrollerskate.shop for all of your roller skating needs. And until next time, later skaters.